Don't back into something. You already hit 2 trees this week. Why do I look like that today? I don't think I want to go now.
What flea market?
Oh, well, where are we at?
I wonder what Susan and Tommy would do with that.
That's just what I need. I see shiny stuff.
Oops.
Okay, here we are at Burnips, Michigan Flea Market. Let's see how it looks. I see stuff. Oh, I'm connected though. Hold on. Woo! Look at that. It's a really small flea market, so it's fun just to browse around on a Saturday morning and see what they got. I see people walking away with stuff. Don't back into something. You already hit 2 trees this week. Scary, scary, scary. Goodness, why is it beeping?
Because I got parking sensors and there's a post behind me.
This makes my face look really round today. Why is that? Okay, so we're here for flea market. I think I like this angle better. This angle's better. Why do I look like that today? I don't think I want to go now. Hey everybody, we're at Burley Park Flea Market this morning. And I look better on this angle.
What flea market?
Oh. Well, where are we at?
Burnips, not Burley Park.
Burnips, Burley Park. We are at a flea market. Starts with a B. Look at these Hot Wheels. Is there any you had as a kid?
Yeah, I had some.
That's an older one. I love Hot Wheels. What you looking at? Oh, you found toys.
Yeah, I found toys. Yep.
That's cute. I like the ice cream truck. Do you collect little ones too or not?
Yeah. That's kind of my new little thing now is these little toy trucks.
You gonna get some?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll hold the backpack.
Oh, I got it. So
Okay.
that's fine. Let's see here. Trying to add up. That'd be 27, so maybe 25 for that and these.
So you get 25, 15, 16, 17.
You take 25 for all those. For these 4 in a truck.
25, you said?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You got a 5.
These are really pretty. They're Copenhagen blue. You hit me?
Yeah, well, I accidentally hit my hand.
I
on
didn't
you
even
'cause
notice.
I turned to point at this stuff.
So you're packing my backpack already?
Yeah.
Just sit that on top of your can there.
Look at this old mask.
Yeah, see it's got hooks on it.
Cute.
Will you take 5 for these?
That's pretty. That's a pretty one.
Sorry.
My sister's dog goes after my brother's bigger dog. She was stand her ground. And the brother suddenly looked at you all more furry.
Oh, yeah, like over here.
Yeah. And they get along, but the other 2 dogs that come over, they're always fighting up and down the yard.
Yeah.
I'm just looking at this. This is cute.
Yep.
The Sonia, I wonder if Sonia, she's saying about Sonia, she was fighting it, and now she has all this other stuff. She's doing okay.
That's kind of pretty, right?
She's not doing well, yeah. But yeah, she lost all her year for she was married over years, so she has no interest. She did it.
Let's see. That's pretty.
Angle back.
That's pretty. What about that? Oh, here's a nice one.
What is about that?
Yeah.
Oh wow. That would have been a cool approach.
That's cheap. This is nice. Alright, what else we got? That's scanning. That's so cute.
I wonder what Susan and Tommy would do with that.
On the dock, that'd be good. Yeah. That's just what I need. Does it have a tent with it, or is there no tent? It's like a potty chair.
It's basically the tent. It's really small.
Is it got the tent with it? Is that what that is?
Pretty much.
I might have to get it for car camping. That's cute.
Yep, you too.
All right, I don't need to open it.
This 75.
That is neat. Oh, I love antiques. I could look at them all day. So pretty.
These old padlocks.
Wow.
Wow.
It's neat. I like that. I haven't found my teddy bear yet. Haven't found him.
Oops, I'm sorry. Get out of your way.
That's cute. That's pretty.
You're interested in cool glassware, like barware?
Oh, you found trucks? Wow.
My sister's got a ton of
Ooh, that's pretty. That's neat. This is gorgeous.
It was lost and found and he took it. Oh, I must have lost it. But I'm like, you sound so excited about that.
That is pretty. I like the color of them.
Yeah.
I don't know what I would do with them, but I like the color.
There was a lady here looking at them a little while ago, and she said she keeps them this way, and she puts little succulents in it.
Aww. Oh, that would be cute. Aw. It's funny what some people come up with.
Yeah, just like me on my junk.
Oh, is that what that is? No, I like them though. They're cool. This
They're
is
half
neat.
price today, so whatever's marked is half that.
Those are cute.
You can make them ring if you need.
That's neat that you made them. That is neat. Oh yeah. Cool.
Make all the jewelry and
Oh wow.
granddaughter made all the rubber band ones.
Oh, that's sweet. That is so sweet.
Oops, sorry.
I'm the one that ran into you. Ooh, Elvis. Look at, I found Elvis.
Yeah.
Oh, there's more Elvis.
Yeah.
Wow. Lots of Elvis. Oh, that's cute. Look at this. Oh, that's so cute. I see shiny stuff. Shiny stuff.
All those toys right there.
I love these. I love those. Those are nice.
All the way down? Yeah, about halfway down on the grass on the right side. Oh, yeah, okay. And he's got a lot of little cars and tables. Yeah. Looking at it, little box on the side. Is there another dining area? That's the only one. Back then, probably 70, 84 type.
Look at that old razor. See that?
Yeah. My dad still has one, and
Does he?
and I think he still uses it today. Oops.
You're too big to be walking around the aisles.
I don't know. And this one here, I'd like to know why. I think if that said he's saying y'all, it might be a southern. Yeah, it might be a. That's where I got the Mac.
Oh, I like that. What? What is this? Is this new? Like a remake?
Looks like it's new.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh yeah. Well, I go there. Probably. I still have a stock.
I gotta figure out what this is. What is
I
this?
haven't been there in a while.
Yeah, I don't understand. I'm trying to. See, now I'm intrigued because I don't understand it.
I think it's
I don't-
probably got
Okay, so
multiple.
I go
this
there
is broke,
during the week. Is that all right?
and then this is random.
I tell you, I don't want it. $1. How's that?
I was looking at it.
You know, and
She's
it's got-
pretty,
I like
yeah.
the old frame that someone made,
Mhm.
but you know, I'm thinking $5, but I'm not real fired up about trying to sell it.
You should just hang it on your wall.
Yeah,
What's your number?
I mean, it's pretty nice
It
looking.
is cute.
Somebody took the time and made this frame, you know,
Yeah.
and then maybe took a larger picture, cut it out, cut a
She's
circle around
pretty.
it.
I remember back in the day I had that much hair. Back in the day.
Yeah, right. That's very pretty.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a few of us around.
But I'll buy these two.
All right. This here, that's a jewelry casket. You see one of those?
Yeah, that's pretty. How much is that one?
Well, that's going to be cheap because that was made in the 20s, but here's the thing. The lid needs
Oh, yeah.
it needs a resoldered. And I don't want much for it. Just a few bucks. You know, you have a way of resoldering it. Plus it's missing the inside cushion.
Oh, the velvet. Yeah.
Velvet.
So how much do you want for all three of them?
This,
Yeah, and then these two.
I said one on this. How about 4? Would that work?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you have change?
Yeah, you want this for $1 by chance? That's
Should I pick something else for $1? What else is $1?
yeah, there could be. See what you see in there for
Okay,
$1.
let's see. What do we got? What do we want? How about,
How about this?
no. How about, let's see, what do we got? This
Yeah,
or
some,
this?
Yeah, there's some skeleton keys.
How about this?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Skeleton keys will sell. People collect those, so you might be able to see if they make more than $1.
Yeah.
So I owe you 15.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah, appreciate the sale.
I appreciate the goodies.
I bought some things myself today, so I need,
Oh, I
I need to make some sales.
That's what I always do when I'm at a flea market.
I bought the Tim Northrup signed autograph picture.
That's
I
cool.
bought a old piece of milk glass.
Oh, yeah.
Under here.
That's pretty tough. Well, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to put this in my backpack somewhere.